Hey World History, welcome to week 2 of remote learning. So this week we are changing things up just a tiny little bit to help you out. So we are still meeting on Monday and Wednesday for history, but it's going to be from 10:15 to 11. And so that'll give you a little bit of a passing period or a little bit more time to transition from your previous class into world history. And so hopefully that makes your week a little bit easier. So Dawn sent out new updated invites for the Zoom meetings for this week. So you want to make sure you double check your Gmail and that you update your calendar if you need to. So again, that's going to be Monday and Wednesday from 10:15 to 11 for world history. If you can't find the Zoom link or something's not working, it is posted in Summit. So you can go into our current project and you'll find this little checklist with the link in there as well. I'm also posting this YouTube video into Summit so you can pull this up and be able to see what we're doing for the week if you miss class or if you have additional questions. So if you remember last week, we were working on the difference between human rights violations and war. And so you guys were supposed to come up with an argument of what was the difference between those two. And so if you haven't submitted your final product, the first final product is that argumentative claim. You want to make sure that you do that. And so that's going to be the first reminder this week, is to complete that final product and get that submitted. Now, this week we are going to be starting to work on our actual children's stories. So if you remember, we used Dr. Seuss as an example to take a really heavy, difficult topic and make it into something that was child-friendly and that teaches kind of a moral lesson. And so we're going to be looking at checkpoint 5 on Monday. And in checkpoint 5, you guys are going to be brainstorming and coming up with what is the moral lesson that you want to teach. What is that specific lesson or issue that you want to discuss and make child-friendly or child-appropriate. So on Monday in checkpoint 5, there's a brainstorm sheet that's in there that we're going to walk through together as a group. And then in some smaller groups, you guys will get to actually talk about and discuss what those moral issues or moral lessons are and how you could take that and turn it into a children's story. So we'll brainstorm and start building that idea on Monday. On Wednesday, you guys are going to have a work day to actually work on illustrating and creating your story. So writing out the different children's story pieces, building the illustrations or finding pictures to put into there, and then putting together your actual children's story. And then the following week, that finished children's story will be due. So you'll have this week to work on it, brainstorm, and make sure that you have all of the different components. And then next week, we'll actually present those finished stories. So if you have questions on that, if you need any help or additional assistance, you can send me an email. You could also log into the open office hours to get some one-on-one or smaller group help on the project. So I hope you have a wonderful week. And if you need anything, let me know. I totally forgot. I wanted to show you where those documents were located in Summit. So let's go back really quickly before I leave. And in this Learning Moral Lessons from History project, again, under the description is where you're going to find this checkbox of the things that we're doing for week 2. But we're specifically looking at checkpoint 5 this week. So in checkpoint 5 is the brainstorm activity of how to build your moral lesson. And so we're going to fill that out on Monday, and then you'll copy and paste pieces of that into the actual checkpoint 5. And then this is the second final product, which is where you'll put your finished moral lesson. So you'll be copying and pasting either the Microsoft Word document or the Google Slides or whatever format you choose to make your final piece in. And we'll paste those into that final product. So that's where those are located in Summit. Again, under the project overview is going to be this little checklist with the YouTube link and everything you need for the week. So hope that's helpful. I'll talk to you soon.